1 week until Halloween. How is everybody? I am finally over my 4 days, 5 day stint of migraines from hell because the weather out there can't make up its mind what it's doing. It was cold for a week, it was sweaty the week before that, and now this week we're back to the 80s and upper 70s, so it's sweaty again. So anyway, just wanted to share a quick update. Won't be getting to eBay this weekend. I know better. This weekend, I'm busy doing other stuff. It's that time of year. It's Halloween, you know. So I'm going to share a little beverage and hopefully give you a little burbage and hope everybody's doing good. Oh, it burns. Okay, anyway, let's see what's in store. Okay, here's my biggest new dilemma. I've been thinking about, when I upgrade my system, where am I going to record? Now, 90% of the time, my daughter is next to me making noise, no privacy whatsoever. So I'm thinking about taking a measuring tape and measuring from the router up to my bedroom and doing it from there. So if I can get I still call them Cat5 cable that's long enough to reach, because Wi-Fi, I'm sorry to tell you, is not a good way to go for recording videos, because no matter your signal strength, when you have a 3-story home that you live in, the signal is really wonky. And I have a laptop that's on Wi-Fi, and I have a cell phone on Wi-Fi, and my Roku, my Google Chrome, and all that other stuff. So everything is on Wi-Fi, and it's kind of so you can thank Comcast for part of the signal issue, but half of it is the layout of the house. So I'm hoping to start doing videos once I upgrade this, and I'll be doing them in my boudoir. And I don't think we're going to be worrying about like X-rated bedroom type activities. So just so you know, I could change my mind. There is a lot of lucrative money into, quote unquote MILFs doing porn. But anyway, so this is where we're at right now. I got to get through the Halloween stuff. I wanted to do eBay because I've got like about 25% of my eBay stuff is Halloween oriented, and so people could buy it in time for Halloween, but the cough and the migraines and life in general just interrupted. So I hope everybody's doing good. Let me try and get one more chug and burp. Woo, chug and burp. Today I'm going to another beer tasting. I went to one last weekend at Total Wine, and it was okay. And then when I went to leave, there were 2 breweries, one from my old hometown of Kansas City, Boulevard Brewery, and then an Atlanta brewery that I don't remember the name of. Got to try 8 more beers. So I will hopefully be picking up some of them to share with you guys, because some of them I really like. There was a sour beer that I really liked from Boulevard, and then there's this new lemongrass ginger beer that was in a can, and you know how much I hate canned beer, but it was actually pretty good. And then today I'm going to the fall beer tasting over at Tower Liquors. So yes, I love my beer. Most women don't, but then again, I am finding that most of the people in the generation after mine don't like beer. I like beer, but it has to be made well. There's a lot of craft breweries out there that taste like crap, and I'm not afraid to tell you that. Hiccup for you that likes the stupid hiccup burps. all right I hope you're all doing good, and I hope to get another update to you guys real soon. And I'm still chomping at the bit to get my system updated so I can start playing these really crazy old funky games as well as the new ones. And some of you guys could even enjoy watching me play Battle Pets on World of Warcraft. That's what I've been doing lately, because I've been bored doing some of the quests. The Hallows End is fun, but I've done it every year since World of Warcraft started doing it, and you know, there are certain prizes that they got rid of that I wish they would have kept, like the broom. You know, the magic broom is only good during Hollow's End, and once Hollow's End is over, it's gone. I'd like to have it full time, so whatever. All right, everybody, hope you're doing good. Have a great weekend. Bye.